Beit HaMikdash, the Holy Temple, probably one of the most fascinating places on the face of the earth, where the physical realm meets the spiritual. For thousands of years, we've been yearning and praying for the rebuilding of the temple and the revelation of its hidden secrets. Today, using all-new augmented reality technology, we can see and experience temple life in an incredibly striking and accurate physical model. The unique interaction between the real world and a virtual reality allows us for the first time to embark on a personal journey, a journey that connects us to the temple and its fascinating rituals. Join us for a vividly striking tour inside the meeting place of the worlds.